in Delhi. I was very surprised. Normally the chief ministers have very high ego. No one goes to the other state to see the good work. Kiru Stalin has no ego. He works for the people. He came to Delhi. He saw our hospitals. He saw the schools that we had constructed. He saw the clinic. And then he invited me to Tamil Nadu. I came to Tamil Nadu. I saw the good work that was being done in Tamil Nadu. I am told that here almost 1.3 crore women every month, head of the families, are getting 1,000 rupees per month. Are you getting or not? No other state in the country is getting it. Here you have CM's breakfast scheme in the schools where the children get breakfast. No other state in the country gets it. When the girls pass out from the school, they get 1,000 rupees per month for higher education. No other state in the country gets it. You get doorstep delivery of medicines and medical services. No other state in the country gets it. That is the reason I have come to campaign for him. If you, the other NDA is not, NDA stands for New Delhi Alliance. NDA is not BJP and ADMK. NDA is only BJP. BJP has captured ADMK. ADMK is completely in the grip of BJP. See what has been done in Bihar. The Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, he was Chief Minister till yesterday. Today he has been reduced to merely a Rajya Sabha member. Why? This will be done with ADMK also. ADMK will be broken into 3 parts and BJP will take over. BJP wants to capture Tamil Nadu. The people of Tamil Nadu hate BJP. You hate BJP or not? People don't want BJP. Tamil Nadu does not want BJP. ADMK has done the biggest crime to Tamil Nadu by bringing BJP to Tamil Nadu. So beware before you vote for them. Another thing, 1 year back in Delhi, the people made a mistake. They voted for BJP in Delhi. Now all the good work that we had done in Delhi, BJP has stopped all the good work. The schools that we had started in Delhi, they have stopped the schools. The clinics that we started in Delhi, they stopped the clinics. The free medicines and treatment we started in Delhi in hospitals, they stopped all that. We had made electricity free in Delhi. Now the people are getting thousands and thousands of rupees of electricity bill. We had made water free. So beware if you vote for BJP or you vote for ADMK or you vote for NDA. All the good work that he has started, everything will stop and you will repent it. So I will request you that you should vote for Stalin Saab, you should vote for DMK if it is being done in Tamil Nadu. He has done a lot of developmental work in Tamil Nadu. This development should continue. And he is one voice, a strong voice against Narendra Modi in the central government. He is fighting not only for Tamil Nadu, he is fighting for India, he is fighting for the country. He is a very strong voice. Recently they tried to do a delimitation bill which would have completely destroyed our democracy, and he stood against Narendra Modi and he fought for the people of India, for the people of Tamil Nadu. I would request you to vote for Shri K.S. Ramachandranji, who is in K. Ravichandran, and the symbol is Rising Sun. Will you vote for him? I am very happy to come and meet you all today. He's doing very good work for the people of Tamil Nadu. Do you all agree? He's doing very good work. So whoever is doing good work, all of us should support him. Shouldn't we support him? When I was Chief Minister of Delhi, we had made very good government schools for the poor people in Delhi, to give good future to the poor people. We had also made a lot of clinics in every colony, free medicines, free clinics, free treatment, free tests. So Stalin Saab, he came to Delhi to see the good work. I was very surprised. He said, I've come to see the good work in Delhi. No chief minister goes to other state to see good work. He does not have any ego. He is a people's man. He is your man. He wants to work for your family. He wants to work for your children. Then he invited me to Tamil Nadu. I came and saw the good work. I am told that here every one woman household, every household, she is getting 1,000 rupees every month. Is it true? 1,000 rupees every month. No other state is giving this. I am told that when the girl child passes out from the school, she starts getting 1,000 rupees per month for higher education. I am told that in the schools, Chief Minister's breakfast scheme is there. So he has done a lot of work for education, for health, for women, for the development of the state. If by mistake you vote for NDA, NDA is what? New Delhi Alliance, BJP and ADMK. If you vote for them, they will stop all the good work that has been done by Thiru Stalin. They will stop the 1,000 rupees that you are getting every month. They will stop the good schools that he has made. They will stop CM breakfast scheme. They will stop all the good work because their intention is only to loot the people. So don't make that mistake. In the last 5 years, he has done a very good work. If we want to continue the development of Tamil Nadu, we all should support Thiru Stalin in a big way. And my heart says that he will win with a thumping majority in the coming elections. Egmore Prasanna, Tamilan Prasanna, he is the candidate from here. His symbol is rising sun. Please vote for him in big numbers and support Thiru Stalin. Vanakkam.